Hi guys, welcome to MLOw's 3D printing. Here I am in the studio today, and today's job I'm gonna do is a job for Valentine's. I belong to a church called D2H Church, and we want to be able to give them a little gift. And so today what we're gonna do is I'm going to be printing a gift just for them, and hopefully I'll be able to print multiple prints and do all that. So come along with this journey, and hopefully you like what you're seeing. And if you do like what you're seeing, please subscribe, leave a comment. Here we are. All right, in the view there, you're gonna see that I'm gonna be working with a computer. So today we're gonna be going just to the bamboo lab, and you'll be able to see here on my screen. It's gonna be coming, and as we go home, we're gonna go to the online models, where on the online models you're able to find all kind of sorts of stuff on there. I mean, you name it, you can find it. Just because I wanted to do a flame, I was able to do a little flame, obviously it's not that cleaned up, but just any little thing that you see that you could be able to do, you could be able to find that on the Maker World. And I love the Maker World because at the same time, you're going to find some really cool things that people have been working on. So we just want to we want to find something for Valentine's, so that we could be able to give to the women at our church. And we should find something here. Usually on the first page, you're going to find stuff right away. I know I was on it yesterday and I was able to find something like super fast without even typing anything in. And I probably should have recorded it, and I probably should have did something like, see, this is cool. That's pretty cool. But we want to do something that maybe people could put around and maybe use it as some type of decor. And we're going to be looking here. We're going to just kind of look. And if not, let's just type in Valentine's. So we're going to type that in. As soon as Valentine's Day comes up, you're going to find all of the things on there that show that you could be able to print something out. So I'm going to find something pretty cool here that we could be able to print. That's not going to take that long, not that much material, but it's going to be really nice to be able to give them to this gift to the people at our church. And here we go. Let me see. Ooh, I'm finding some cool things. That's a nice little cool teddy bear with the heart. And the nice thing is that we're not printing this to sell it. We're printing it to give it away. And that's why I love this stuff, because we could be able to do something really simple and give a really nice gift to someone. So I kind of like this little heart right here. Something pretty simple people could be able to take. The job says it only takes about 2 hours and 4 minutes. It's one plate at about 15% infill, and then we have something like something a little smaller. If you wanted to run on the Mac Minis, you could be able to do that. Mac Mini, sorry, the A1 Mini, and so that's what I feel like my printers are. They're more like the Mac of the 3D printing company. And I actually want to put something together, because with my printers, I actually made a little symbol that's the Apple symbol. So to me, they're like Apple products. They're not Apple products, they're bamboo products, but the amount of quality that they have on it really is pretty cool. So yeah, so I think we're gonna go ahead and do something like this. Let's see what else can we do that's going to be pretty cool that they might be able to put up, even though that one's pretty simple. But there's a lot of cool creators here. A lot of people put a lot of work into creating some nice art, because that's what this is. I mean, this is just art. It's another form of art, and I'm glad that people are able to go ahead and utilize some of their art skills to be able to provide some really cool printings. So far, I think I like that one so far, because it's not going to take that long, and then I could do a mass printing on it. just to be able to get something in people's hands, showing them that we actually do care. Now, if you do want to know some more information about our church, is Door to Heaven Church. And you could go to door2heavenchurch.com. You could be able to check out some stuff there. We're also on Facebook and all that fun stuff. But so far, I'm liking that. We don't have to personalize it or anything like that. But here we go. Let's just kind of put this up here because we're able to see it a little bit better. There we go. All right, now I'm able to see that a little bit better. Come back over here. Oh, this is pretty cool. There's a love with the spinning heart on it. That's fun. There's the rose, which is nice too. Yeah. I think we're gonna go ahead and go back to this love one right here, because they could just put it anywhere. And the cool thing is that I do have like a silk filament that I'll go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and download that. And there it is right there. This is on my A1 mini, but I'm actually gonna put it a little bit bigger, and we're gonna go with the A1. Let's slice this thing. Let's see how long it's gonna take. 2 hours and 32 minutes. I usually like doing is like doing like a test print to see how it actually comes out. It's kind of big, I guess, but I don't know if I'm able to get a bunch of those things done within a short period of time. I'm kind of pressed for time because I'm going to be actually heading out pretty soon, and look forward to the video that I'm going to be filming next, because we're actually going to be on location of Puerto Rico, the beautiful island that my family's from. And so yeah, here we go. We're going to slice it. Let's just see how that prints out. We're going to use the champ, and we're going to change that. We're going to go to I'm going to change it to that color there. Once you know you're okay, you like the fill, you could be able to mess with all the other stuff, the supports and all the other stuff. This one doesn't really need support, so you could just be able to go ahead, print it, and see how that goes. So here we go. We're gonna send that job. All right. So now the job is getting sent to my printers since it's already on. The nice thing is that I have multiple printers and I have multiple colors of the red, so I could be able to do it in all different type of reds and different type of tones. Some are going to be matted, some are going to be shiny. Depends what I got here as far as like stock. So that's going to be sent there, and once it gets sent there, you'll be able to see that the printer, if you heard it. The nice thing too is that if you don't like to hear the sounds of the printer turning on and all that other stuff, you could actually mute that and be able to have it silent. So like, I know I got a couple of them that are just silent. You're not going to hear that. But in some senses, I actually like the sound that lets me know that that's alive. Bling, it's alive. So, and we're going to go ahead and show you a little bit of that as soon as it starts printing. Right now, it's going to be doing all the bed leveling, all the fun stuff that the MLOw printer actually does, so that you can have a really, really nice print. Now, we're going to probably do about maybe 10 of these. That's why I got some other printers going on here. And that's the nice thing when you have multiple printers, you could be able to print multiple things at the same time. Yes, it says it's going to take about 2 hours and 40 minutes. But if I got 4 printers and I run them all at the same time, now within 2 hours, I already got 4 products. That's really not bad. Now, if you have more printers, obviously you could be able to print more. Okay, that is a nice thing. Some people have print farms where they're large, they got all kind of beautiful machines and all that fun stuff, but all I have right now is my machines here, and I'm gonna put them to work just like you should be putting your machines to work. Folks, if you really like what you're seeing, and again, I thank all of those that have been subscribing, all of those that have been liking the video and leaving comments. I love that. I am going to be showing you also a picture of the finished product of my last video, because I forgot to put it in there. Can you believe that? It's just like anything else, you forget things. And so I forgot to put the picture of the finished product of the end table. So you're going to be able to see that here as well. I'll go ahead and put that somewhere, or one of these places around here. I don't know. Not quite sure. But again, folks, thank you so much for really the love and support of watching the videos and leaving those comments and subscribing and all that fun stuff. This is the beginning of a new journey of 2025. Although I have been 3D printing, I started last year, 2024, but this year I'm doing something different. I want to stay consistent with my YouTube videos, and like I said on the last one, I really like doing these, and they're just going to be nice and short. I'm trying to confine them to a small amount of number as far as time wise. But if you like these videos, even as short as they are, if you like them, please leave a comment. It gives us, I guess, myself a form of direction, or getting to know how to actually do YouTube videos. And your love and support is really important in this case. And again, today I'm using Ecamm Live to be able to show you the picture that's up on the screen. And not only that, this is the first time I'm actually using my iPhone 14 Pro to actually shoot this video. And I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with the quality of it. And I'm glad that I was able to do that. It was a little tricky on how I had to do it, but in order for my camera to work with my Mac, they have to read together. So I had to make some changes. But if you notice, you hear my baby, he's working over here. Now, I'm going to be sending all the other jobs to the rest of the printers to find out which ones have the red filament in it. And then I'll be showing you some video on that as well. Okay? If you notice the heart there, it's really nice, super clean. You could tell that this machine is working beautiful, and I am not afraid to try to plug in the Bamboo Lab machines. One of my favorites. I know that there's so many other competitors out there, but if you see how fast this baby works, how clean the job is, and just how smooth everything works out with these machines, it's just really nice. And I'm really happy that I was able to be able to get these type of machines for this 3D printing journey that I have here. So yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product once this thing's done. We're gonna go ahead, just record it, and we'll probably zoom it up a little faster just to get to the finished product.